Well, all I have to say is if you're actually out there doing deliveries for DoorDash, Uber Eats, GrubHub, Spark, who else is out there? Ship. What's the other one? Let me see. DoorDash, Uber Eats, GrubHub, Ship, Spark, Roadie. If you guys are out there doing deliveries in this weather right here, this weather, this weather, if you're doing deliveries in this weather, I feel really bad for you. I'm connected to all those delivery apps, and I'm here to tell you they have not earned for me to be out here trying to do no deliveries for them in this weather. But I truly understand when times is hard, you got to do what you got to do. Thank God I am not in that position. I pray for all of you guys that's out there trying to make some money in this weather. And this is going to go on for the next 5 hours and for the rest of this week. I wish I would. And let me reiterate that again. I wish the hell I would go out there and do some deliveries for DoorDash, Uber Eats, GrubHub, Spark with they low paying ass. In this weather, man, don't know what to tell you. Look at that snow. Look how big those flakes are. Look how big those flakes are. Those are some huge, huge flakes. If you're out there doing deliveries for DoorDash, Uber Eats, GrubHub, Ship, Roadie, Spark, or any other delivery app, if you out there in this weather right here, my brothers and sisters, I'm definitely going to pray for you today because I wouldn't go out there and do nothing for them. See your delivery apps when the ground is dry.